Why are you sucking on that wash rag? Huh? What you sucking on? Well, don't get mad. Give me that. Give me that. What? What? Peekaboo. 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 That's not your eyes. You gotta cover your eyes. Peekaboo. No, your eyes. Like this. Peekaboo. Your eyes. Cover your eyes. Not a kiss. What? Whoa. 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 Look. Look. Ava. Peekaboo. Cover your eyes. Can you cover your eyes? You can't? Have you been a good girl? Hey. Have you been good? Yes. Have you been bad? Have you been bad too? Have you been sleeping at night? No? You are going to fall. Will you fall? No? Have you been sleeping at night? Oh, you think so? I heard you haven't been sleeping. What? Sit down. Sit down. Sit down now. Ava Grace. Excuse me? You better sit down. Thank you. You better stay there. Oh, excuse you. You better sit down. What? Hey, where'd you get that bruise on your head? Did you hurt yourself? Did you fall? Did you fall down? Ava. Ava. Did you fall? Did you fall on your bike? I mean on your car? What is that? What is that? Give it a kiss. Oh, how sweet, baby. Oh. Where's your belly button? Where's your belly button? Where's your belly? Where's Ash? With her dada? Where's Ash? Where's Sissy? Oh, are you talking to her? On the phone? Is that a phone? Say hi. Say hi, Ash. Hi, Sissy. Ava, say Ash. Where's Ash? Ashlyn. Ashlyn? Where's Ashlyn? Where's Sissy? Say Ash. Call her. Call her. Say Ashlyn. Oh. No, she's not here. Sit down. I'm sorry. I just wanted you to say it. Can you say her name? No, don't get out. Her's not here. I'm just so sorry. Excuse me? Is that your belly? Where's your belly button? Right there? Whoa. Ow, baby, that's your teeth. Oh, baby. Say hi. Oh, is that the phone? Hello? Down the rag. Okay, say bye-bye.